Hey guys, Tony here. So some of you guys asked for the Forex EA update. Today, it did not trade really anything. It only did about $1 or so, and it's not going to be trading for another week or so because NFP is going to be coming out, I think, later this week, early next week, and I actually have the EA actually has an NFP failsafe. That on the EA does not run like a week prior to that NFP news, because usually leading up to that NFP news there tends to be a lot of volatility in the market. There's a huge increase in spreads, so I want to be on the safe side. I don't want to be trading this week or any really big week leading up to NFP or whenever news is released, big news on the US dollar. So for now, the Forex EA is going to be shut off because I want it to be basically trade conservatively on this. So I think this is going to be the first and last update of the Forex EA for the next week or so. But so far for the month, we are up to 369.48. We finished officially 2 weeks of trading last Friday, and basically by itself, it made $369.48 on a starting account size of 970 something, 978. We're currently at 1347, and I think one more week of waiting it out, and then it's probably going to start up next week after that NFP gets released, because we're probably going to see a lot of volatility in the market. But it's really just because I don't like trading when there's where there's a big increase in spreads. So I'm probably gonna wait it out. I'm not gonna turn it back on, not gonna turn it off. I'm gonna leave it on for the remainder of the EA. So whenever we do have NFP news, I'll probably just update you guys once on a video, let you guys know when NFP is, and probably not update the EA for like the rest of the week. But so far, same place. We're up 369 for the 2 weeks. Starting account size 978. Basically it. I'll see you guys later.